time came, would you feel it? If the time was right, would you ignore or reveal it? I'm getting hot like a skillet, there ain't a limit. And I ain't sweating cause my maker hold my every minute sent. Like you never read the Holy Bible. You entitled to a fast and a speedy trial, no denials. Stretching miles like an endless road. Better yet, stay in control of your life. Don't think twice when acting right. If you really have your doubts, then enlighten the general public. And they won't think nothing of it, cause every single one of them is trying to figure out why they love it. I ain't trying to preach, this living proof. A Uso from the beach is finding truth. So even if you roll with thugs or you just slanging up dubs, just remember in his eyes you got love unconditional. Tell you about the truth. Frontin' is the reason for your blues. Exactamundo, like a block from a tumble. You be crying, oh that's foul. Waving fingers make you humble as you gonna fumble. Like those who's insecure. Samoa, can you recognize the pure? We hold it in our people's motto. YAWEH, you always first. Your word will always be there to disperse. Despite of all the curses in the world, I ain't scared. Regardless of the situation, I'm knowing that you was there. Every hemisphere, like stairs, a steady climb. To reach it is to reach a more divine. In time you will figure out what lessons he's giving out. To learn it is to feel what it's about. Then keep it with you every day. More ways to counterplay. Now join us as we praise YAWEH. Yo, what's the dealio? Man to man is so unjust. You don't know who to trust. Your worst enemy could be your best friend, and your best friend your worst enemy now. I'm looking back for facts but still believe that faith up in your life is all you need. Terminate the inner greed, and minds will think you're free. Olakama de Samoa, Pavaia'i. I'm bringing up these different flavors. Despite your every hater, I always put it down for my creator, my navigator. With my trust in his hands, y'all is crying, oh YAWEH. But do you really understand the significance of gifts y'all receive? Believe it in your heart you will achieve, and follow cause he got the lead. Bow down on bended knee, and thank him for allowing us to breathe. Oh, YAWEH.